All right, today we're gonna bring a beautiful scone chandelier. Now this one right here is made of glass. The LED is in the center. This is very fragile, so be careful. But when it's hanging, it's gonna look beautiful, and it's gonna give you a good, beautiful ambiance to your location that you want to set this up. Now, they give you excessive cable because this could be for high walls, but you could retract it. And then if you want to bring it back down, you have to push this little button here. If you guys can see that, push it down and you can bring the string out. I like the little function where it has that little spring to actually get more cable. Now the extra cable, you have an option to either cut it, or if you want to tuck it in, you can tuck it in too. That's an option. You could tuck it into the system itself. Only 3 cables that should be aware. You got your ground, which is the copper one. You got your neutral, and then you got your hot. So that's the only thing that you have to be worried about. We're going to set it up. Just make sure you do have a nice strong backing on the top, all right? So let's set it up and see how it looks. All right, if you guys can see, it's flush, golden on the top, beautiful on the bottom. Look at the middle, all right? We're gonna turn it on the lights right now to see how it looks, all right? Let's go ahead and turn on the lights. Just turn it on. We're gonna turn off the lights completely, but I just wanted you to see this beautiful, beautiful chandelier, if you guys can see. So this thing can go really high. I had to bring it halfway down at least so you guys can see it. All right, here's the final result, guys. If you guys can see that, it's flush on the top. I'm gonna try to keep away so you guys can see it because this thing is really bright. In fact, look at how bright it is. It lit up the whole room in here. Plus, I got a glass in the back, a mirror in the back. So look at this, beautiful. I wish you could see more details in here because it's so bright that you can't see them on camera, but they look beautiful, outstanding. Looks like almost like a torch. This is perfect for any entrance, any island you have. You could set 1 or 2. These could go really tall for tall ceilings. They light up pretty good. If you guys can see that, the light's not that bad.